All right, welcome to Friday's math activity. It's a breakout linear equations. It may not work that great on mobiles devices, but tablets and laptops it works. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the link and you get taken here. All right. Now if you start the quiz, it's going to look something like this. So there's a scenario here. You're awake in the middle of London, late 19th century. You knock on the nearest door for help. Number 221B. Peculiar man in a strange hat bursts out the door, quickly shouts, "Solve the mystery." So let's go to the game. It says move on to screen 2. So what you'll see here is the first question. Now we have to use distribution to solve this equation. Okay. Now if we slide these over, you'll get a bunch of different options. Okay. Now if you do that, you have to stop at the one that you know is correct. All right, well, I know 2 times 3x is 6x, so which one is 6x? So it must be this one. Then you go to the next slider, and you'll see that the next step comes up. So if we're simplifying here, what has to happen? And you stop at what you think is correct. I'm just going to go here, okay? And then finally, you come up with your solution. So maybe this is right, maybe this is wrong. You can click check it. It says try again. So you're going to have to adjust something here to figure out what is correct. Okay. After you figured it out and you get the right answer, it'll give you some information about the suspect. Write that down and then move on to the next question. If you get it wrong, a couple times, it says just go on to the next screen. All right. So you may not get the information, but you can still move on and you get the next thing. Okay. And with this one, I think you move the little things around. You can keep going through all the questions, try and get as many clues as possible. And then finally, the last clue, it'll come up with some scenario where you have to pick the person that you think did the crime. It'll also give you a score at the end, and you can tell your teacher your score on how you did.